Okay, so I am sitting in a cul-de-sac. This is Jacqueline Epps. It is April the 1st. It's got to be a fool's prank, being April the 1st, April Fool's Day, because I have what I refer to as a stalking helicopter. When I tell you this helicopter is flying over my head wherever I go, I am being dead serious. This helicopter has been circling me now for a total of 45 minutes. I am a law-abiding citizen, and I don't understand what is going on, why this helicopter is circling over my head. Let's see if we can catch it. I'm going to catch it in just a second. Mind you, I'm sitting here in this neighborhood, minding my business, just chilling, right? Just chilling, no nothing, no problem. Sitting in my car with my little grandbaby. Okay? And as I sit here, I have been circled at least 7 times by this helicopter. I hear it coming back around. Hear that? That's the helicopter. Here we go again. Okay, so through the trees, you can see it coming. And this is the same helicopter that keeps following me around Atlanta. Check it out. Look, I'm not making this up. It's not a joke. This helicopter is really following me. See this helicopter? Look at it. Look at it. Look. Now, we're going to sit here. We're going to sit here. Hear it hovering over my head. Creepy freaking helicopter, man. Just freaking creepy, okay? It is now 2:45 p.m. There is no reason for this helicopter to be out here. There's no police chase. There's nobody being searched in this neighborhood. I am not being chased or searched. So for this helicopter to be following me and circling and hovering over my head is a violation of, I'm imagining, some sort of rights that I have. I don't understand why this is even allowed to happen. You know, this helicopter has been following me for years now. This is my first time ever being able to catch it, though, because normally it stays like a distance away from me. But today, it has decided to circle not only near me, but over my head multiple times. Here it comes again. Let's put the window down so you can hear it better. I want you to hear it really good. Hear that? Now, I am in the Chamblee Boulevard area. Look at this. Look, there it goes again. Whoever this is a bold somebody, man. They just keep circling over my head. They've been following me for years. For years, this person, whoever this is, has been following me. Just following me. And causing all sorts of crazy mess, like hovering over me in the middle of traffic. Like, just really weird stuff, man. It's just crazy. Mind you, that's the second time. We'll wait for the third. I'll show you. And then I'll end it there. Actually, I'll probably do 4. I'll let it go 4 times and then I'll stop. That way, it can't be seen as anything but what it is. Because there's no reason for this helicopter to be flying over my head 4 times. No reason. What are they looking for? What is the purpose of them following me around? I'm just a regular pedestrian. Jacqueline Trinice Epps, mother of Constance Trinae Bennett, Malik Jalil Bennett, Tania Janae Bennett, and granddaughter Constance Trinice Bennett that was just born to me. Unless this person's trying to steal my baby, but then this person's been following me before the baby was even conceived. I don't hear it coming back around. I'm almost afraid to drive, to be, just live my life. I got a helicopter. They have more ability to hurt me than an average person because they could drop something out the sky onto me. I don't like it. It's not right. That's not what helicopters were put here for. It's weird. As you hear, it's coming back again. And we're in the 6th minute. There it goes again. Check it out, man. This is some freaky crap, dude. Like, what does this person want? Why are they following me? What in God's name is wrong with this individual that they think that it's okay to do this right here? What's wrong with these people? Or this person or whoever it is? It's some creepy crap, man. Okay, we're going to sit here and wait for the 4th time. And then I'm going to end it. This is... this is strange. Really strange. I hope this is an attempt to steal a baby. Check it out. Whoever it is, they must be desperate. Because there's no reason for a helicopter to be flying around in this neighborhood or over this, wherever I'm at. There's no reason. There's no police chase. There's no catastrophe. There's no nothing. This person is just gung-ho flying a freaking helicopter and following me. Some creepy crap, man. Just really creepy. I'm creeped out right now. Freaking whoever it is, they have more power than I have. I'm just a regular woman. And I don't even, I'm not rich. I'm not nothing. I'm not nobody. And I have this baby in the car with me. This is some scary crap, man. And this has nothing to do with anybody else. This is my daughter's baby. And the man that's the baby's daddy, he don't have any way to get in no helicopter. He's an illegal immigrant. Lord have mercy. Here we go again. Here they come again. Look, this is the 4th time. I'm not making this up. This is not a joke. Whoever this is following me. And they have decided to fly over my head until I leave. But what purpose? To what purpose? To what end? What do they want? Evil. Just evil. Some people are just evil. I don't know what to make of it. I don't get it. But, whatever's going on, whoever that is, I don't know anybody that has enough money to fly an airplane or a helicopter or whatever. So I'm just a little creeped out, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and end this at the 10th minute. It's just, what can I do about this? All right, I'm going to go for now. Lord have mercy.